I'm not surprised. I live right over there. So I'm sure it's flooding again at our house again today. Ditches are getting full. You can't tell, but that's a really deep ditch right there. More rain.